Hello, students. Students, today we will discuss the second chapter of geography, and this is, the physical feature of our country. So, we would like to know that India has a variety of geophysical features and landforms. As example, mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts, coastal plains, and island groups. Students, these are the result of long geological process during millions of years. Formation of geological features and landforms of India can be easily understood by the plate tectonic theory. This theory discusses about the various process which are responsible for the formation of these landform features. Students, the movement of the plates is classified into three types. These are convergent, divergent, and transform boundaries. Convergent means which come towards each other. Divergent means go away from each other, and transform means come over each other. And this the oldest landmass was Gondwana land. The part of Gondwana land, or you can say that Gondwana land, which includes India, Australia, South Africa, South America, and Antarctica, are one single landmass. The major physiography division of India are the northern Himalayan, the northern plains, the southern plateaus, the western desert, and coastal plains, and the island groups. The Himalayan mountains, students, are young fold mountains located in the north of India, and they have the highest mountain peaks of the world as Mount Everest. It has also the second highest mountain peak in Karakoram range, that is K2, Godwin Austen in India, which is the highest peak of India. But the highest Himalayan peak in India is Kanchenjunga. Students, the Himalayas consist of three parallel ranges in its longitudinal extents. These are Himadri or Inner Himalayas, Himachal or Lesser Himalayas, and Shivalik. The northern plains. Now we would like to know northern plains. Northern plains are formed by the alluvial soil deposited by Himalayan rivers. They extend over a large area of India and can be divided into the Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra plains. The peninsular plateaus is tableland composed of old crystalline, igneous, and metamorphic rocks. It is one of the oldest land masses of the earth. It is separated from the coastal plains by eastern and western Ghat. It consists of two broad divisions: Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. The Indian desert is the vast sandy stretch of plain located in the western part of the country. The coastal plains are the narrow spit of the plains running along with coast of India. These are wider along with the eastern coast than the western coast. Lakshadweep, located in the Arabian Sea, and Andaman Nicobar, located in the Bay of Bengal, are two groups of islands in the Indian Union. Lakshadweep is composed of a small coral island. So, student, this is the notes I dictated you today in our online classes. So those students who didn't take part in our online classes, they can watch this video and they can make note on this chapter. Thank you very much.